I'm going to show you exactly how I turn one long single recording into an entire month of attention-grabbing social media clips without needing a production studio or an expensive team of editors. If you spend hours manually chopping up webinars, podcasts, or product demos, you know the struggle of trying to stay consistent without burning yourself out. I used to spend half my life hunting for those perfect 20-second moments, hiring freelancers, and still feeling like I was barely keeping up with the algorithm. Everything changed when I shifted my workflow to focus on smart automation, specifically using Vizard to do the heavy lifting of slicing, polishing, and scheduling. The results for my channels have been honestly dramatic, with way more content published and a steady flow of traffic back to my store from people watching my shorts. The simple truth is that content repurposing is the ultimate growth hack, but the manual approach is a major bottleneck that prevents you from scaling. Vizard removes that bottleneck by automatically finding viral segments, generating ready-to-post clips, and managing your entire calendar in one place. Let's walk through my step-by-step process so you can start doing this yourself, even if you've never touched professional editing software in your life. Step 1 is choosing the right long-form video, specifically looking for punchy one-liners, product demonstrations, or opinions that already performed well in your analytics. Step 2 is uploading that file to Vizard, which instantly scans the footage to find high-energy moments based on visual movement and emotional cues. This saves me hours of work because instead of manually skimming through an hour of footage, the AI highlights the moments that are actually likely to hook viewers. Step 3 is editing for your specific platform, where you add a tighter hook, drop in readable captions, and pick a frame that really pops. I usually shorten the opening second of every clip to make the hook hit faster, because little edits like that significantly improve your retention rates. For product content, keep a consistent opening pattern so your audience learns to recognize your brand signal every time a clip starts. Step 4 is where the magic really happens, using the built-in content calendar to auto-schedule your clips across all your social platforms at once. This allows you to set your posting frequency for the week, like one clip every day at 11 in the morning, and then just walk away. Finally, Step 5 is analyzing the performance insights to see which clips are actually driving views and clicks, then feeding that data back into your strategy. I know some of you have looked at other tools like Descript or CapCut. And while they have their uses, they lack the all-in-one automation Vizard provides. Descript is great for deep audio editing, and CapCut is fun for effects, but neither combines clip discovery, editing, and auto-scheduling into one seamless workflow. I recently took a 45-minute product demo and generated 18 promising clips in just a few minutes of review time. Over the next 2 weeks, my short-form output went from just 2 posts to over 10, and I saw a direct increase in traffic to my sign-up page. A pro tip for better results: always use high-quality, clean source footage, because even the best AI can't turn poor, blurry video into a viral hit. If you have multiple camera angles, use them, because movement keeps the viewer's eye engaged far longer than a static talking head ever will. Remember that people often scroll with their phones muted, so adding captions is non-negotiable if you want to stop the thumb from scrolling past. You can even experiment with your content strategy by turning technical demos into a series of quick tips, or pairing candid moments with trending audio sounds. At the end of the day, Vizard sits in that perfect sweet spot for solo creators and small teams who need to scale output without hiring an entire crew. Just a small disclaimer: don't use this to mislead viewers, as taking clips out of context to trick people will destroy your audience's trust faster than anything else. I'm happy to walk you through a sample upload, show you how I choose my hooks, or even share my specific caption templates if you're interested. Just drop a comment below, and I'll do a follow-up video where I open my own account and show you my full behind-the-scenes repurpose workflow. If this video helped you understand how to scale your content, please hit that like and subscribe button for more growth tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one where we dive even deeper into building your content machine.